Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and now you want to change your wallpapers, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for wallpaper and style. Tap on it. And from here, just select change wallpaper. And here you will get different wallpaper. You must have to select which you want to set as your own home screen. Here are some featured gallery option and graphical colors, and there are some wallpaper services. As here you must have to select which one you want, and I'm going to select, for example, this one. Just tap on it, then select on which you want to set your wallpaper. Here's the lock screen and home screen option, then select next, and here just tap on done. Once you have that, your wallpaper will be changed. So that's how you can easily change your wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.